Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to add shipment tracking on WooCommerce. Let's get started. So we need to install a plugin. Searching here for YITH, orders, and shipment. So let's search in here for that. And then once you have searched for this thing right here, you should be able to see in here that particular product. You can see in here this WooCommerce order and shipment tracking. Make sure to install and activate it just like I did. Once it's been installed, you should be able to see in here, just in here, just click on this YITH order and shipment tracking. And then from in there, you should be able to see the settings for this particular plugin. Now you can see that you can choose in here your default courier. You can see in here your user options. You can change up the text that will show on the order details page, as well as the position of the text in the order details page. You can also see in here the carriers or the couriers you can actually get with this particular shipment. But take note that this is only available for the premium version. Once you've actually successfully tweaked all of the things that you have on your settings, head over right here to your orders. And now let's edit out one of the orders that we have as well. We have this order right here. Let's head over and click on it. And then we should be able to edit this particular order and add or provide some shipment tracking. We have in here this shipment tracking. You can add in here a tracking number to help customers track this particular thing. Or you can also put in here this order tracking as well on the order picked up by courier option. So you can head over and then locate that. And then you can add in your tracking code, carrier name, pickup date. And you can also put in here order actions like send details to customer. And once you're done with that, just click on this update date option or update it in order to actually save all the progress that you have just made. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like or subscribe and helps me reach more people. See you soon.